At Micron Agritech, we're looking to drive the future of animal health through rapid diagnostics. We're building a testing platform that farmers and vets can use to test animals for parasites on site and get rapid results. We will be able to reduce the amount of medication that's being used in the industry and just prevent wastage, as well as prevent the buildup of resistance to the medications that we have. Micron Agritech began as a college project. The four founders then spun the technology out of the university. And from there, over the last 2 years, we've been working hard to develop the Micron Kit platform. Our mission is to build an app that will allow our users to manage all aspects of their animal health on site through their phone. And we are excited to announce our plans to add a fluke test to our platform in 2023.
It's a remarkable piece of innovation. Their technology uses machine learning and determine whether an animal needs treatment or not. This is solving the problem of broad spectrum treatment in a herd and also reducing the labour requirement on farm. We see it as a real game changer in this area that will deliver results here in Ireland and across the globe.
Being the overall winner of the Innovation Arena Startup category is an incredible recognition of the hard work, the passion that the team has put into this project, and it really goes to show the potential of our technology and the potential impact that it can have.